In this video we will show you the functions and the features of the QS LED signaling headlamp, which is used by police forces, civil protection and railway staff to control traffic, for emergency evacuations, or to indicate incidents or work sites. The QS signaling headlamp has two toggle switches, left and right. By pushing the left toggle switch, we turn on the main central LED. By pushing it again, we turn on the high power level. We have two power levels, medium and high. If you make a long press of the left toggle switch, it will switch on to the flashing modes, which is flashing, and the second one strobo. The right toggle switch controls the front LED signaling. By making a short press, you activate the different colors. By making a long press, you activate the flashing modes. Again, a short press turns off the light. The application of a translucent cone makes greater visibility at a distance. All these functions are standard, but can be modified upon request. This headlamp is watertight IP68. That means it can be submerged in water of 1 meter depth during a long time. It even floats. Besides, it is very resistant and can be used at a temperature of -20 degrees up to 50 degrees Celsius. The QS headlamp needs an external charger to recharge the Li-ion battery. The charger is available at any AC or DC power supply voltage. If the lamp is switched on and you put it on the charger, it will automatically switch off. The red LED indicator on the right side of the charger indicates that the battery is correctly being charged. Besides, the headlamp has an indicator between the two toggle switches, which is now flashing green. That means there's 100% of battery capacity. It can also be green, orange or red. Red means only 20% of the battery capacity is left. The charger comes with a pre-installation plate in case you need to mount it on a wall or inside a railway vehicle. For further information, please visit our website luznor.com.